In this video, I will show you how to install extensions in Google Chrome. So I'll show you exactly how to find, download and install Chrome extensions from the Chrome Web Store. Chrome extensions can add useful features and tools to your browser, making your browsing experience more convenient and personalized. Whether you're looking to install an ad blocker, productivity tool, password manager, or another useful Chrome extension, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. And if this video does help you out today, please either like, comment below and subscribe for more Google Chrome tutorials, Windows tips and easy tech guides. Now to get started, what you want to do is open up a new Google Chrome browser. Once you've done that, come up to the top right hand corner of Google Chrome and click onto the three dots to open this menu. From here, hover over the extensions option, and on this submenu that comes up, you want to click onto visit Chrome Web Store. Now from the Chrome Web Store, if you come up to the top left hand corner, you can see we've got an extensions option here. Give that a click and this is going to take you to the extension section of the Chrome Web Store. Now what you can do is scroll through and see all the different extensions available. You can also use the search box at the top if there's an extension you're looking for in particular, and if you look to the left you can see we've also got these categorized, so for example productivity extensions, lifestyle and so on and so forth. Now to actually install any extensions, let's just go ahead and select education from here. You can see this is going to bring up all the education-based extensions. Now from here you want to find the extension that you want to install. So for example, let's go ahead and select Speechify, which is a really cool text-to-speech extension. Once you click onto the extension page, you're going to see a button to add to Chrome. Give that a click, that's going to bring up a pop-up window, and then what you can do is click onto add extension. So as you can see, what's going to happen, it's going to start installing this extension on Google Chrome. And once that's been installed, sometimes you do get a page that will come up asking you to create an account, or it might just be a installation confirmation page, all dependent on the extension that you've installed. But what you can do now is come up and click onto the extensions icon, which is just up here. It looks like a jigsaw puzzle piece, and you can see our extension here, which has now been installed. From here, if we click onto manage extensions, you can find all your installed extensions, and from here you can turn on or off the different extensions. You can also view further details of the extensions, and if you don't no longer use the extension, you can also remove the extension from here as well. So that's how to install extensions in Google Chrome. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe for more Google Chrome and simple tech tutorials. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.